Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, the video is focused on my driving robot discovery made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and programmed in Python with 2 battery packs. And I made a little modification right here, so it is now just fixed on it, while it can be removed quite easily. And this one is connected to a switch here, and this one is connected to this switch. Reason for this modification is that it is now very easy to replace them or just switch them. The real focus of the video is to get the sound more to the distance. So the distance is focused, or actually the distance to these objects, also fischertechnik, with an important role for the color red. But distance between this robot and the objects should be indicated by different sounds. Last time I already made the start with it, but some things didn't work out quite well. So in order to do that, I'm going to boot the robot and see if I can get things working properly. And to do that, I switch now to Screencast. Okay, Screencast, and with 3 terminals, like this one is for the coder, this one is for running the coder, and RoboPro for testing, obviously webcam and terminal for displaying the images taken. I run into a point where I get an error, so I expect that this battery is about to run out, unfortunately. And I mean, this battery is about to run out. So I am going to add this battery to it, and yes, they have both been charged. So now let's see whatever will happen. I have to clean up some cables. And everything is set, I hope. An error. Will not connect. This is correct. So why can't I connect all of a sudden? Am I still connected here? Yes, I am. So what's the problem with RoboPro then? This is all correct. Is it? Yes. Here I cannot. Okay, what I'm going to do now for testing is remove this one again and just run it. 2.5 seconds to initialize the camera, and then see if things happen right here. If things happen, because right now the Python takes a heck of a long time, which I don't like. So I'm engaging this one again. So now this wire is connected again. stop, go. Something is not right, but I have no clue what. Another attempt. Just rebooted whole interface. Let's see whatever this happened. Yes. And this is functional and it is 8.4 volts and it's running. So for some reason the interface had hung up. That is all correct. This has gone to 13. Yep. This is good. And all good as it seems. So now it's time to really run. Two and a half seconds, please. But the propeller isn't running. Now it is. Password. Okay, that's one thing. But there's no driving action, so I really have to change the algorithm as such. Okay. Never mind. I really need to change the algorithm here, because if I look down here, it is taking a lot of images, but what is happening after all? Taking the measurement ribbon or length, the distance between the robot and the object is 60 centimeters right now. It's not quite correct. It is 55 centimeters. So if I here go to 55, between 55 and 60, which is about correct. I didn't hear bells, I think. But why does it take so long before it actually does do something? That is something I need to find out. And another thing, looking in the data file, the data log file, this is all there is, which is nothing. Absolutely nothing. So when I once again look at 55, it says sound crackling wood, or a bell, or whatever. It is simply not in the file, which is not good, because I can't check for anything at all. So I have to manually check it, which will take quite a bit of time. Okay, after making a lot of changes to the coder, I see that it is time really to change to the next battery pack, otherwise it goes power down. So right now the second one measures good. I better pull the plug on this one, which has no effect, but it is not working anymore, so now I have 9 volts, give or take. A lot of additions to the data file. So, quit this, write this one, and now I have to shrink it a little bit, otherwise I can't see the result. So let's see whatever happens this time. The 2.5 seconds start won't be different. Oh, that won't work since I haven't closed this one. That's important. Yeah. Yep. Network, of course. Two and a half seconds for the camera. That's airplane sound. So I want some driving action. I changed the distance manually, so right now the distance is not 70 anymore because I first enlarged it, and now it is 32. But it didn't drive, I put it there. Time out. Oh wow, what's wrong with that? Let me take a look at the data. Okay, let me also, because it hasn't changed anything, take a look at the data file, at the, hey, this is no good. This is no good at all. Airplane sound, but I should have heard now some other sounds as well, and I don't. So I am absolutely uncertain why it doesn't move, and also why the other sounds are not effective. Okay, let's see. Yeah, 3 minutes. Time out of getting new frame from camera. That's a worrying thing. Let me see what happens, if anything happens. Ooh, not good. Yeah, it just starts, but getting new frame from camera is going on. Okay, so if I go entirely here, I copy this, paste, and this is an excellent image, absolutely excellent. But the rest is no good. So one battery, the battery replacement was depleted. What's going on with this one? Wait for it. Yeah, I'll have to do with this anyway. Okay, measurement, and it doesn't measure. No, it's too low. That's the end of it. Weird results. Weird results. Why? I don't know. Has to be next time. And with these weird results, I say thank you for watching. If you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and click the bell for notification. You can also support via PayPal, Ko-fi, and becoming a patron for €2 a month, $2 a month. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.